On this video today, I'm going to show you a new strategy that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that you can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you the best offers that you can promote and a free traffic source that you can use to promote the offers so that you can be earning money from home wherever you are in the world. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of different CPA marketing networks that you can join. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using CPAGRIP. But if you want, you can use Max Bounty, you can use CPA Lead, you can use CPA Build, OGS, or any CPA network that you know. I'm using CPAGRIP. CPAGRIP is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and begin to promote offers. If you are using CPAGRIP, once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you select my offers, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. CPA offers are geo-specific. What it means is that each of the offers are allowed in one specific country. So you are not allowed to promote any offer to any place that you want. You have to look at the offer in the country where it is allowed to be promoted before you promote it. So if you want to select a specific country, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any country that you want. Once you click on the country that you want, you get offers that are available in that country so that you can promote them to make money from home anytime you get a lead. You can see a whole lot of different countries. Right now you can see the country is United Kingdom. So when you scroll down, you see these are the offers that are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see the first one, you are going to be earning $2.22 per every lead that you get. The second one is the same thing. You are going to be earning the same amount. So what you have to do is that you have to search so that you can find a country where you can get offers with high payout. You can search for any country that you want. For example, you can come right here and then click on it. Once you click on it, just search for any country that you want. In this case, I'm going to search for Switzerland. So search for it, search for it. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then search for any offer that has a higher payout so that you can promote it to earn money. You can see the first offer, the payout is $22.25 per every lead that you get, and you can see the offer is highly converting. You can see the performance is good. The next one, you're going to be earning $11.55. You can see it right here. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $16.42 per every lead that you get. It is also performing well. So as a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. This one right here, you're going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. So just scroll down and then select any offer that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to translate the text so that I will understand what the offers are about before I can decide to select one and then promote it. To translate the text, right click on your screen. Once you right click on it, you have to scroll down and then select translate to English. Once you click on it, everything is going to be translated. You can see the text has been translated. So you can now select any offer that you want and then promote it. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting the first offer. You can see it right here. The title is Access the Best Content Now. It is a gaming offer, so once you promote it, your potential visitors are required to enter a PIN code so that they can get access to the latest game, and you are going to be paid $22.25 per every lead that you get. Your potential visitors, they are not required to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to take a specific action, which is PIN submit. Once they perform the action, you are going to be paid. They don't need to purchase anything. So now what you have to do is that you have to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. So click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is your affiliate link, and you can see the warning right here. If you want to select a tracking domain, you can click right here and then select any of these tracking domains that you want. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid $22.25 per every lead that you get. There are two types of traffic that you can grab to this link. You can use the paid traffic source or you can use the free traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the best free traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then take the action so that you can be paid without investing any money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is classifiedforfree.net. This is a free website where you can post your ads without paying for anything. And the best part is that you can target any country that you want. So for example, we are targeting Switzerland. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, other countries. Once you click on it and then scroll down to the button, you'll be able to Switzerland so that you can post your ad without paying for anything. So just scroll down to the button, scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down to the button, let's come to the S category. You can see right here Switzerland. So this is Switzerland. You can post your ad for free without paying for anything. So let's click on it so that we can post our ad to people who live in Switzerland. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to click here post free ads so that you can be able to post your ad. Once you click on it, you can see the location is Switzerland. If you want, you can change it, but in this case we are going to do it like this because the offer is not allowed in any country apart from Switzerland. Once you select the country, the next step is that you have to select the category. So select entertainment because the offer is a gaming offer. Once you select entertainment, the next step is that you have to select the specific category of entertainment that you are targeting. So the specific category that you are targeting is video games. So select video games. Once you select video games, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then enter the title of your ad and then the location. So let's go back on CPAGRIP so that we can get the title of the offer. Once you come back on CPAGRIP, you can see this is the title of the offer. Highlight it and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can enter the location right here. So let's say Switzerland. Let's type Switzerland. As you can see, that has been done, Switzerland. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the description of the offer right here. So you have to come back on CPAGRIP. Once you come back, highlight and copy this as your description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the description, the next step is that you have to type a call to action so that when people are reading this, they can click on it and then enter the required details so that you'll be paid. To type a call to action, you need a translator. So what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for Google Translate. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, click on the first site. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the translator. So now what you have to do is that you have to type your text in English so that Google Translate will translate it to German and you can use it on your ad, because the people who are going to view our ad are not English speakers. So if your call to action is in English, you are likely not to get a lot of people to click on your affiliate link. So type it in English and then translate it. Let's type something like click here to get access to the content now. Something like this. Click here to get access to the content now. Once you type your call to action, click right here so that you can copy the translated text. Once you copy it, you're going to come back, paste it inside the description of your ad. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you have to insert our affiliate link here. So you have to come back on CPAGRIP and then click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then highlight your call to action. So you can see this is your call to action. Highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on this globe icon. Once you click on it, you have to insert your affiliate link here. So paste it right here and then click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see right here, this is the preview of your ad. You can see this is the preview of your ad. So this is exactly what the people are going to see, and they can click on your call to action so that they can get access to the offer. You can see it right here. Now while that is done, you have to enter your email address right here. So enter your email address. Once you enter it, you can leave this at a default or you can select any of them that you want. Now while that is done, the next step is that you have to upload images of the offer that you are promoting. So you have to come back on CPAGRIP. Once you come back, right click on the offer image, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, click on choose file. Once you click on it, select the image that you downloaded, click on open so that the image can be uploaded. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, people can contact me with commercial interest. Click on it. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select whether you want your ad to be featured, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any of these options and then make the corresponding payment. You can see they have different options and the amount of money that you have to pay. Apart from that, if you want your ad to stay on the website for a very long time, you can select any of these options and then make a payment. But in this case, we are not going to pay for anything. What we are going to do is that we are going to post it for free, so that when we get a conversion, we can then invest in paid ads. So just leave everything like this. Once that is done, click right here. I agree to the terms of use by making a post, so select this option. Once that is done, click on post now. Once you click on it, you can see congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. So your ad is live on the platform, and you're going to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. Apart from this website, there are many other pre-classified websites that you can use to promote your affiliate links, so that you can get people to take the action for you to make money. You don't need to restrict yourself to only Switzerland. You can select other countries and then find a traffic source, so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link for people to take action for you to make money. The best part about CPA offers is that your potential visitors are not required to purchase anything. All that they need to do is that they have to take a specific action. So just go back on CPAGRIP, select any offer in any country that you want, and then promote it so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.